Good morning, bebe.
Morning.
Sarap ng breakfast ni bebe. Taco. Yan. Pupunta na si Riley sa school. Kaya ang breakfast ni Riley is taco. Wow. Taco tapos may gatas. Yan ang breakfast ni Riley today. Tapos nilagyan namin ng maraming cheese. Tapos may cream. May cream cheese, may cheese. Meron siyang tomato. Meron siyang lettuce. Oh boy, sarap. Very healthy. Beef taco. Yan ang breakfast ni Riley before going to school. Sarap pa, be? Yummy. Yum, yum. Tapos may partner siya na gatas. Taco for the breakfast this morning before school.